Imagine creating a Hollywood-level video without a camera, crew, or even a set. Sounds crazy, right? Well, with AI, it's not just possible, it's happening right now. From generating stunning visuals to animating entire stories, AI is changing the way we think about filmmaking. Quick montage of AI-generated videos from platforms like Runway, Sora, or Pika Labs. But how does it work? And can AI really replace traditional filmmaking? Stick around, because we're diving into the world of AI-generated videos, the tech, the creativity, and the controversy. Let's get started. Magic Light. Create AI videos over 30 minutes with a single prompt. Magic Light is a free AI-powered platform that lets you make AI videos longer than 30 minutes in just one prompt. Its unique feature is transforming text into captivating AI-generated videos with no watermark. It maintains character consistency across scenes, offers diverse visual styles, and supports multilingual videos in 10+ languages with 30+ emotional voiceovers. Magic Light caters to a global creator base on both desktop and mobile platforms, streamlining video production. Start by heading over to the Magic Light website via our description link, and you'll receive 300 points free. You'll find a clean and user-friendly interface. If you're new, click on Sign Up. Already have an account? Just click Login at the top right. Enter your email and password. You can also log in using Google, Apple, or other social accounts for a quicker process. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, your creative playground. Open ChatGPT. Search. Create a story on Leo and the Lost Stars of 300 words. Wait a few seconds for the story to generate. Once it's done, copy the entire story. Go to Magic Light. Click on Create AI Video. You'll see a friendly interface. In the Smart Script section, paste the story you copied. Choose the aspect ratio for your video. Landscape. Wider screen. Good for YouTube. Portrait, vertical, ideal for TikTok, Instagram. Select your preferred language for narration or subtitles. Choose the visual style that fits your story's vibe. 3D Cartoon 3.0, fun, playful animations. Disney 3.0, magical, fairy tale feel. Epic, cinematic, and adventurous. Realistic 3.0, lifelike, detailed visuals. Meow, cute, cat-themed style. Animals, perfect for animal characters, and many more styles to explore. Set the video duration depending on your story. For a 300-word story, 1 to 3 minutes works well. Click Next. After a few seconds, Magic Light will generate your story into scenes, usually about 12 scenes, breaking down the narrative beautifully. Select your cast characters. Choose 2 characters for the story. 1 male character, e.g., Leo, the brave boy. 1 female character, could be a guide, like the wise owl or a friend. Browse through the character options and pick ones that match the story's vibe. Then click Next. Wait a few moments while Magic Light creates images for each scene, using AI prompts tailored to your story. Customize voiceover and script. On the left side, you'll see voiceover speed controls. Adjust the speed to match the pacing of your story. Slow for emotional moments, faster for excitement. Choose the voiceover voice for the narration. Select a voice that fits the tone, warm and friendly, dramatic, or playful. Review your script and scene prompts. You'll see the entire script broken down into scene prompts with AI-generated images for each. Animate your images. Once your story scenes are generated with AI images, it's time to bring them to life. Select the image. Choose the image from a scene that you want to animate. Click on the Animate button. This opens up the animation options. Select Animate Pro. For high-quality, smooth animations, click Animate Pro. Choose Generated from Customized Prompts. This allows you to tailor the animation style based on your story's unique prompts. Click OK, then Confirm. Click on AI Enhance. This step improves the quality and detail of your animated scene, making it look more polished and professional. Hold on for a moment. Magic Light will process your request. In just a few seconds, your AI-generated image will be converted into a fully animated video scene. Review the animation. Check how the animation looks. Most of the time, It's smooth and impressive. Repeat the process for each scene's image, animating them one by one. By the end, you'll have all images converted into AI animated video scenes, perfectly matching your story. If any image or animation doesn't look as expected, you can regenerate the image to get a fresh version. Or you can reanimate the video to improve the motion and effects. After animating all scenes, preview your full AI animated video. On the right side of the tool, more key features are: you'll find the Add Character option. This allows you to insert new characters into specific scenes, making them more dynamic and engaging. Access the storyboard to view the entire sequence of your scenes. This helps you visualize the story flow and make adjustments where needed. Prompt of the scene. Move to the Edit section. Click on the Edit tab to access the final customization tools for your video. Set the cover. Start by choosing or designing the cover image for your video. This is the thumbnail that viewers will see first, so make it eye-catching and relevant to your story. For example, Leo reaching for the stars. Add subtitles. Enable subtitles to make your video more accessible and engaging. Choose the subtitle style, font, and size to match the tone and theme of your story. Subtitles help your audience follow along, especially when watching without sound. Choose background music. Select the background music that enhances the mood of your story. Go for something magical, adventurous, or soft, depending on the tone. You can adjust the volume of the background music using the volume slider. Lower it for a subtle effect that supports narration. Raise it for moments of excitement or emotion. Generate your final video. Once you're satisfied, click on the Generate button. Wait a few moments while Magic Light processes your video. Soon, you'll have your amazing AI-generated animated video, ready to share with the world. Now that your animated video is complete, it's time to share your creation. Publish your video. Simply click on the Publish button to begin the publishing process. Wait for a few moments. Magic Light will process your video and prepare it for release. This usually takes just a short while. Let's see the result.
Starfall bathed in starlight's glow. Leo finds missing stars in constellations. Leo's world shifts. A star is gone. Leo's face reflects night's ominous query. Leo's home. Starlit cosmos. Leo's lost. Intensely focused. Leo vowed, I must find it. Leo part l'observer. Whispers of the lost star swirl, igniting Leo's resolve. Elderly woman cautions, path is perilous. Leo grips his lantern, eyes on the horizon. Leo's quest begins in whispering woods. Sunlight paints forest clues. Leo searches, river of light guides him. Leo follows light's river. Leo strides, river mirroring night. Stars pass.